Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Terry and I'm a YouTuber based in Accra, Ghana. I hope you're all well and I hope you're all safe. Today's video is going to be mainly focused on foundation. How to get that skin-like foundation base. How to make your foundation look just like your skin. So if you're interested, then stay tuned.
Is as normal, missing someone, and missing someone.
Please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you never miss an upload from me. Also, if you like this video and you found it helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps my channel. The first thing we're going to do is skin prep. I'll be using my Vanity Planet spin brush with the exfoliating head attachment. I'm also going to be using my organic black soap, and it's from the Black Soap shop. I'll leave a link to it in my description box down below. But as I always say, you do not have to use the same tools that I'm using. The basic principle here is to cleanse and exfoliate your skin. It's a really important step. Our next step is to go in with a hydrating sheet mask from Bath & Body Works. Another hydrating sheet mask that I absolutely love is the Neutrogena Hydro Boost sheet masks. And then I'm going to massage the excess product into my skin, giving myself a mini face massage to really get that blood circulation flowing in my face. The next product I'm going to be going in with is the Ordinaries Niacinamide 10% plus Zinc 1%. Serum all over my face to further hydrate and enrich my skin. In case you're wondering, I already have an in-depth review on this product and I'm going to leave a link to it in the cards right up above me, so you can check it out if you're interested. And I'm showing it in this video because I've got a ton of questions from you guys asking me exactly how I'm able to incorporate this product in my makeup routine, and this is exactly how I do it. You immediately start to see that natural glow come out from your skin. It's amazing. It really does sit beautifully underneath your makeup. And then whatever excess products I have on my face, I'm going to spread that down towards my neck. So I'm just going to let that dry and then I'm going to go in with my moisturizer. The next step is primer. This is my mineral infused primer from Elf Cosmetics. Mattifying primers are not for me because I have super dry skin. I love primers that just smooth out your pores without caking up your face. If I use a mattifying primer, my makeup is going to come out looking really dry and cakey, and I don't want that. I've already gone in to do my brows off camera, so we're just going to conceal and correct underneath my eyes. I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. So this is to correct the darkness and fine lines around my eyes. And then I'm going to be focusing that product in the inner corners and the outer corners of my eyes and then gradually blend it together to come to the center. And I'll be using my Deluxe Crease Brush to seamlessly blend out that concealer. If you apply foundation on a day-to-day basis, you don't want your foundation to look cakey or flaky in any way. You want it to look as natural as possible. With foundation, we are trying to create the illusion of even better skin. A pro tip is to doing your makeup in front of a window. Natural lighting really enables you to see where you're going wrong in your makeup application, because sometimes you apply your makeup and then you go out and then it looks a little bit different from how you did it indoors. It's normal, it really happens. So personally, my makeup station is right in front of my window. I'm also going to be doing the powder before foundation technique, and I'm going to apply my RCMA no color powder all over my face using my Evita Joseph powder brush. After the step is complete, I can now go in with my foundation. I'll be mixing my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the shade 460-470. I know I should get maybe the shade 455, but this works. I don't mind. Make sure your beauty sponge or beauty blender is damp and not wet. So for foundation, my preferred choice and recommendation is one with medium to full coverage and easily buildable. Also, make sure you're blending your foundation down to your neck to make sure that your makeup or your foundation doesn't look like you're wearing a mask. And then I'll be taking my Tarte Shade Tape Concealer in the shade Deep Sand to further secure and highlight my under eye. As I said previously, we're trying to create the illusion of better skin without looking like you have loads of makeup on your face. So let's just say it's a quote-unquote no makeup look. And then I'm going to set everything in place with my setting powder. So while setting my face, I try my best to strategically place the setting powder around my nose area to ensure that I don't have any major nose contouring to do. So I try my best not to leave my setting powder on for too long, and then I immediately dust it off. And then I'm going to bronze up my face using my CoverGirl Queen bronzer. And always remember to tap off the excess product from your brush to make sure that you're not applying too much product on your face. So the final step to get that skin-like foundation, aka the no makeup look, if you have dry skin, is to go in with a dewy setting spray. I love using the Mario Badescu one all over my face. It sets and seals your makeup and keeps everything in place and intact. When that happens, you literally look like you have no makeup on. The setting spray melts all the powders that we used onto our skin. I'm just going to pop on some lashes and then I'll be back. That pretty much completes the entire look. For lip gloss, I'll be using my MAC lip gloss in Young Starlet. It's a really pretty gloss with these little speckles of bronzy gold. I really love using it. And this is my all-time secret to skin-like foundation every day. You can still see my skin peeping through the foundation, making it look even more natural. It's lightweight and your makeup is literally going to be unclockable all day long. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new. Don't forget to like this video if you did, and let me know if you love watching videos like this. I know I do. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications because I have a new video up every single week. For your convenience, all the products that I use are going to be listed in my description box. So until next time, bye.